This powerful hair treatment with cloves and rosemary will help nourish your hair, prevent hair loss, and promote healthy hair growth. So let's make this powerful hair treatment together. First, I'm going to be using rosemary herb, and here I'm using dried rosemary herb. I'm using rosemary because it has lots of hair benefit for our natural hair. It also has been found to have similar properties with Minoxidil, which is used in the treatment of hair loss. So rosemary can help prevent hair loss, restore your hair, and also promote healthy hair growth. It is very beneficial for our hair, which is why I am using it. Next, I'm also going to be using cloves. Cloves has amazing hair benefit for our natural hair. It has antifungal and antibacterial properties, with also properties that can also help to nourish our natural hair and our scalp. It has properties to help fight dandruff, itchy scalp, and also circulate blood flow around the scalp. This means it also helps to promote fast hair growth and also keep our hair healthy and bouncy. So I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of my rosemary herb, 2 tablespoons of cloves, and 2 cups of water. Now let me take a moment to welcome you to this channel. If you have been a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Your presence here means so much to me, and please don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section and give this video a like. And if you're new, you are most welcome. Thank you for being part of this family. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button. I share videos around natural hair and DIY skincare. And now back to our recipe. Into this bowl I have added 2 tablespoons of cloves and 2 tablespoons of rosemary, and I'm also adding 2 cups of warm water. Now warm water is optional. You can use normal room temperature water. I'm using warm water just to make sure that the infusion process will be faster, just to make sure that the herbs are moistened enough to infuse properly and faster. And then I went ahead to stir properly. You want to make sure that all the herbs are fully immersed inside the water, and then I'm going to cover it. I'm using my plastic wrap, but you can use any cover, any airtight cover actually, just to make sure everything is well covered. And then I'm going to keep this in a dark, safe place overnight. So I left this overnight, and I'll go ahead to open it and let's see what this powerful hair treatment looks like. And here we have it. This is what it looks like. Mixture of cloves and water, and then rosemary. Now I'll go ahead to stir it once again and then filter it. And voila, here we have our powerful hair treatment with cloves and rosemary. Now there are different ways to use this on your hair. First, I like to use it as a hairspray. I start by pouring it right into my spray bottle and then spray it onto my hair, especially when I'm wearing a protective hairstyle. This makes it easy. Now I'm going to pour just the portion that can last for 3 days. You don't want to pour everything and leave it out. It's likely to spoil. Then this one, I'm going to pour it in a container, cover it and store in my freezer. When I exhaust the one in the spray bottle, I'll come back to this one in the freezer, defrost it, let it cool, and then use it. So I like to use it as my hairspray. I'm wearing a protective hairstyle here. I'm wearing my cornrow, and this makes it easier for me to spray it on my hair. I also like to use it as a hair rinse. Right after washing your hair, you can pour it all over your hair to immerse properly and then let it dry. So thank you so much for watching this video. I do hope you find it very helpful, and if you do, share your thoughts in the comment section, and don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. I'll see you soon in the next video. Until then, stay healthy, stay beautiful. Bye bye.